Oily Time with Jax. This week we're going to cover cleaning. Not my favorite thing to do, but it's got to get done, so let's do it. Let's do it right. Let's go chemical free. That's the big word, chemical free. Go green. Do it. It's good for you. It's good for your animals. It's good for your kids. Just do it. Anyway, so how do you go green and save money at the same time? You know, I've got the answers. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you all my tips and tricks on how to go green and save money. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that are going to go on from this point forward. Remember, I'm Jax, and this is Oily Time with Jax. Okay, so getting right into it, what I'm going to cover today is the Thieves Cleaning Kit. Oh my God, this stuff is amazing. I'm going to start with our number one fantastic, bestest thing. Yes, bestest is a word. Is our Thieves Cleaner. Oh my God, look at this thing. You think, wow, that's a small bottle. Well, guess what? You get 17 goes out of this bottle. I put a cap full, and if I really have something really, really greasy, I'll go a cap and a half full of this cleaner into this bottle. Glass bottle or metal works just fine because we're dealing with essential oils here, right? Especially our citrusy ones. We want to make sure glass or metal, very important. Anyhow, get yourself a glass or metal bottle, a cap full, like that is literally this, cap full, into this. And guess what? It'll clean your whole house. This will clean your floors, your counters, your windows, glass tables, carpet. Oh my gosh, red wine on carpet. Spray this in, rub it in with your fingers a little bit, give it about 2 minutes, dab it up. No red wine stain. It's fantastic. It's like all-in-one cleaner. So yes, it will do your carpets. I like to put it in my little spray mop. I'll put some of this in my little spray mop and do my floors with it. I will use it spot cleaner. I do my mirrors, my countertops, as I mentioned. Stovetops, fantastic. It does cut grease, and it's amazing. It just simply is amazing. So what this breaks down to is about $1.77 a bottle. You heard me right. Yes, $1.77 for a full bottle this size of cleaner comes out of this, our Thieves Cleaner. Pretty cool, huh? And it actually works. And that's the best part. He's like, wow, that's great. Does it work? Yeah, it does. It's fantastic. So there's your Thieves Cleaner. It is by far the best product I've ever had. And I like the fact that I can save money. So there we go. That is your Thieves Cleaner. Yes, I'm looking down to pick up my stuff. Next up, laundry detergent. Also Thieves laundry detergent. Another amazing, and these are all plant-based products infused with essential oils like orange and our Thieves blend oil. Yeah? So with this, the laundry detergent, I like to take this and split it into two. So I have another container, obviously I'm buying it, or you can use just like a 32-ounce glass bottle. Again, we're going with glass. A pump bottle makes it easier sometimes if you're a busy mom and you just want to get it done. Just put it in a pump bottle. Good to go. So I split this down into half and then add water. And if I really have got stinky, sweaty clothes, my husband likes to work in the shop a lot, stinky, sweaty shop clothes, I might put just like a half a cap of the Thieves Cleaner in this whole thing, and boom, I'm set up. It's fantastic. So this alone will do 64 loads. One bottle. So you split it up into two. It's 32 per bottle. You've put half into another bottle. Fill the rest with water. Now you have 64 loads. Ew. This is fantastic stuff. And it smells really good too. So there you go. There's your Thieves laundry detergent. All right, we're going to move on to what do you do with your hands? Well, of course, yeah, there's a pump soap for that as well. Our little hand soap is fantastic. You can also make this. I tend to make a version of this, I should say. I take Castile unscented soap, right? I fill a bottle like this, a pump bottle with a flat top, to about there with my Castile soap. Then I'll take 15 drops of my Thieves essential oil, And I like to put like about 8 to 10 drops of orange in there because orange is a really good cleaner, right? Fantastic. So I put that in here and then fill the rest with water. I think that whole thing cost me $1.50. Not bad, right? Money saving tips. And this stuff is fantastic. Gets rid of anything on your hands. And especially if you're working with oils or your touched oils, like a spicy one like peppermint, you want to just wash your hands free of it before you go touch your eye or your kid or whatever you're going to do. Wash your hands with Thieves soap. Oil gets rid of oil. It's really good. And it's a nice clean feeling. Also a very nice clean smell. Which brings me up to Thieves toothpaste. Not bad, hey? I'd never had my teeth whitened, and I used to smoke cigarettes, like a lot. Like I was chronic. My teeth were horrible. And I'd say that's pretty good. And I've just been using Thieves toothpaste. I love this stuff. It tastes really good. And my gums feel a lot better. My teeth are clean. You know, I've never had them whitened, but they're not any discoloration. They're just my normal tooth color. So that's fine. I like that a lot. So Thieves toothpaste is fantastic. It really is. You don't need much. You don't need big globs of it like they show you on the commercials where they're going brr, 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 and the whole toothbrush is like smothered in toothpaste. You actually don't need that much. You can use half that amount. And I get a very clean mouth. So there you go. Thieves toothpaste. All right. Oh, we haven't even hit on dish soap. Yeah, I bet you were wondering when that was going to come up. Here we go. Again, another concentrated bottle of Thieves. This is formulated for dishes, so it's got a bit more of a grease killer in it, more lemon. I like to use about this much in a bottle this size. And then I'll add a little bit of baking soda because apparently this stuff doesn't bubble, and if it doesn't bubble, it doesn't work, according to people in this house and a few of my friends. I'm like, okay, you want it to bubble, just add a little bit of baking soda. So I add about just half a teaspoon of baking soda, this much of the actual laundry soap, this much of the actual dish soap, and I fill the rest with water. And guess what? It does bubble. Yeah. And it's super concentrated. So remember, a little goes a long way. It will cut through grease. It'll bubble with a little bit of baking soda. It has a little bubble on its own, but people like it to be really bubbly. So really bubbly, add a bit more baking soda. Get to your grease, get your dishes clean, and do it healthy, right? Chemical free. You're eating off these things. So there you go. Thieves dish soap. It's good stuff. All right. Now where have I come down to? Oh yes, the Veggie Spray. Now I've been doing a lot of keto stuff lately, so I'm eating a lot of vegetables. And I'm getting them from farmers markets and sometimes the store, grocery store. You don't know who's been touching your stuff, right? You're getting a zucchini. I do zoodles, so I like to keep the skin on. So you really want to give those things a good spray. People are sneezing on them and I don't know what's on their hands and they're picking them up and putting them down all day long. So here's your Thieves Veggie Spray, right? Just spray this sucker on, rub it around the vegetables. I do between 20 and 30 seconds because if I'm gonna eat it skin on, it's gotta be clean, because gross. I don't know what you people are doing out there, but so yeah, clean your vegetables. If you're not eating with skin on, then yeah, not so important, right? But zucchini, zoodles, you gotta clean them with something that you can trust, and I trust my Thieves as the best thing to get rid of any of the bacteria that's out there, right? And know that I can ingest what this is, what's left on. Of course, I'm going to be rinsing it off, but I'm not going to be horrified if a little bit stays on, right? I tend to wash it all off. Yeah. But Thieves Veggie Spray. Can't live without it. All right, and there is a version of Thieves Hand Spray, also the same size as this, that you can throw in your purse. Fantastic if you're going to go touch the shopping carts somewhere. I'm not that much of a germaphobe, but there are a lot of people out there. And I think as I get older, I'm going to start paying more attention to that just because I seem to be getting colds more often. I'm like, okay, now, what am I doing wrong? Oh, I'm not really protecting myself, am I? The little spray on my hands before I go and get that grocery cart. That's what I'm going to be doing from now on. So they have the same thing. It's a hand spray. That one's actually sitting in my purse right now. But it has the same bottle except it says hand spray. And the Thieves on it. All right, so that concludes the cleaning products that I have here. Want to mention Thieves Blended Essential Oil. Really good for cold and flu. I can put it directly on my throat, right? I'll be brave and put it right over the bridge of my nose when I'm really stuffed. It's a little spicy, so you might want to cool it down. How do we cool that down? Add a little bit of coconut oil. You can use any kind of carrier oil, but I prefer coconut if I'm putting it on my face. Seems to be one that my body likes, so I use a lot of the fractionated coconut oil, the clear stuff. Yeah. And I put it on the bottom of my feet. Good old Thieves. It's so good to diffuse in the winter time, to ward off these colds. Every time I think I'm getting sick, I start using this. It's fantastic. If I don't stay on it and I don't use it right away when I think I'm getting sick, then I'll actually get sick. And then I've got to use it a little longer. So I just put it on all the time now. It's good. And another thing to go with our cleaning line of things is orange essential oil. Orange is an excellent cleaner. It helps, and it just takes Thieves and makes it pop, pop, pop. It's fantastic. So orange and Thieves, they're going to be your cleaning friends. You need a little bit of a kick, like in my floor spray. I will put a little bit of orange with the Thieves cleaner, just a little bit, like 5-6 drops, into my whole bottle of the floor mop spray. And that way I get the nice smell. Also, I know that orange is going to get in there and really like accentuate if I've got mucky floors, which we tend to have running in and out of the house with muddy boots and whatnot. So yeah, orange. Orange is your friend. So there you go. If you want to get your own Thieves starter kit or just one or two of the Thieves cleaning products, don't hesitate to go to my website. I'll have it right here for you. That's wildist.com/doilytime. Sign up. Become a wholesale member. Why not get 24% off? If you're not ready for a starter kit yet, that's okay. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Continue Without Starter Kit. You'll be happy you did. 24% off. Same price that I pay. And there's no monthly fee. Buy what you want, when you want. Now remember, if you like this, hit the like button. Also subscribe to it so you don't miss a single video. Now that I've gone over how to clean your house and save some money, next week we're going to do something fun. Oh yes. Did you know that there's oils that work with the libido? Yeah. Oh yes, you have to tune in next week to hear more about that. But I think a few of you might be surprised at what the oils can do in the world of libido. His, hers, together. Yes, that is a thing. There is an oil for that. So definitely stay tuned. Come back next week. We'll see you next Wednesday. Everyone, between now and then, stay healthy. Cheers.